Ai, mihi kau ana ki a koutou I te wā o te tauhou. Engari, you'll just soon see what I've been doing. Back in the gardens, in our Mahinga Kai project here in Mātua block. A bit of a hot day here on the 3rd, or is it the 4th? Still on holiday, got a couple of weeks holiday left to go, and just planning out stuff, planning our mother, planning stuff for church in regards to preaching series. Last year we went through Book of Ephesians for the whole of the last year, following the Book of James, and just thinking about different themes, particularly around maintenance of faith and ongoing faith in our communities, and the application of it, rather than just a head knowledge and the do's and don'ts, but rather the heart, the way. So that's something I'm thinking about for this year. Anyway, I'm in the gardens and I'll just look around and show you what we're doing. Have a great year. Keep connected to the whenua. Keep connected to the whānau. Had a great time with our grandson around here. I'll be 75 when he's 20. Hikama. Here's a good boy. I know, I'll just show you what we've been doing today and the reason why.